How personal injury claims work in the US. What happens after a personal injury in the US? Many people hear about personal injury claims, but the process can be confusing. How does a claim begin? What evidence can matter? How does insurance become involved? And what happens before a settlement? In this video, we will explain in the basic process. We will keep it simple. This is general education information. It is not legal advice. State law can be different. Every case can also be different. What is a personal injury claim? A personal injury claim is a legal request. It can follow an accident or injury. The claim may seek financial compensation. The exact rule can vary. A state law can affect the process. Insurance coverage can also matter. The type of incident can matter, and the available evidence can matter. That is why no two claims are exactly the same. Step 1. Get appropriate help. After an accident, your immediate safety comes first. Seek appropriate medical attention, especially when medical care is needed. Keep relevant medical records. Keep receipts and important documents. These records can help later. They can show treatment history. They can also show expenses. Step 2. Document important information. Good documentation can be valuable. Write down what you remember. Record the date and location. Keep relevant photos. Keep insurance information. Keep contact information. Keep available reports. Keep important messages and emails. Avoid changing or editing important evidence. Accurate records can help explain events. Step 3. Notify the appropriate insurance company. Depending on situation, an insurance company may become involved. There may be auto insurance, there may be property insurance, other coverage may also apply. The exact process depends on the circumstances. Read your policies carefully. Follow the appropriate claim process. Keep records or important communication. What is liability? Liability generally means legal responsibility, but responsibility is not always obvious. Different parties may give different accounts. Evidence may need to be reviewed. This can include photos. Witness statements may also matter. Official reports may also matter. Medical records can also be relevant. A state law can affect the analysis. That is why specific cases need a specific review. What is a personal injury lawyer? A personal injury lawyer is an attorney. They handle certain injury-related legal matters. They may review the facts. They may review available evidence. They may explain legal options. They may communicate with insurance companies. They may also negotiate on client behalf. The services depend on the specific case, and legal fees can also vary. What is a contingency fee? You may hear the term contingency fee. This is a common legal fee arrangement. In some personal injury matters, an attorney may receive a fee. That fee can depend on the outcome. The exact agreement can vary. Fees and expenses should be explained clearly. Always read the actual fee agreement. Do not rely only on online examples. How is a claim evaluated? A claim can involve many factors. The facts of the incident matter. The evidence can matter. Medical documentation can matter. Insurance coverage can matter. Applicable law can matter. Financial losses may also be considered. The specific factors depends on the case. There is no universal settlement formula. That it's important to understand what is a settlement. A settlement is an agreement. It can resolve a legal dispute. The parties agree on certain terms. In many cases, a settlement can involve financial compensation. The exact amount depends on the case. There is no guaranteed settlement amount. Online claims about easy money can mislead. Real cases can be much more complex. What can affect a settlement? Several factors may be relevant: the nature of the injury, the available medical documentation, the financial losses involved, the available insurance coverage, the evidence supporting the claim, the applicable state law, and the specific circumstances. These factors can interact that makes every case different. Why medical documentation matters? Medical records can be important evidence. They can document treatment, they can document medical expenses, they can show the timing of care, they can also help explain recovery. This does not mean every record automatically proves every part of a claim, but accurate documentation can be valuable. A common mistake to avoid: do not exaggerate what happened, do not invent missing information, do not delete important reports, do not ignore relevant deadlines, do not assume every state uses the same rules, do not believe guaranteed settlement claims, and do not treat social media posts as a substitute for legal advice. Reliable information is important. A simple example: imagine a person is injured. They document the incident, they seek appropriate medical care, they keep their records, they notify the relevant insurance company, they review their legal options. As attorney may be evaluate the case, the available evidence is reviewed, the applicable law is considered, insurance coverage is also reviewed. The claim may then move forward. The exact result can differ. Why state law matters? The United States has many states. Legal rules can differ between them. Deadlines can be different. Insurance rules can be different. Liability rules can be different. Legal procedures can also different. So a rule from the state may not apply in another state. Always check current state specific information. Final thought: personal injury claims can feel complicated, but the basic procedure understandable. Document important information, seek appropriate medical care, keep relevant reports, understand your insurance coverage, learn the applicable rules, and consider qualified legal guidance when the situation is complex. Do not rely on a generic online video. A specific facts can change the legal analysis, and law can change over time. Good information helps you ask better questions. It can also help you understand the process. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more legal education, subscribe for more insurance education, and subscribe for more personal finance content. All explained in simple English so you can understand. And remember, every personal injury case is a difference. Learn the basics, check reliable sources, and make informed decision. Thank you for watching this video.